Today we're gonna do shallow poach. First thing we're gonna do is put orange layers and lemon layers on the pan. Next thing we do, we get some onions and carrot. So we, put it all around the pan. Next thing we want to do is put the chicken on the pan. Then we put a little bit of salt on the chicken. You're gonna have to put water half away from the chicken. Seeing the bubbles, you cover it for a few minutes. So you want to check if your chicken is ready. Yes. You take your chicken out, and your chicken is ready.